We'll guide you through how to make a calendar on Claude AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make a calendar on Claude AI, first open your Google Chrome browser on your computer or laptop. Next, tap on the search bar located at the top of the browser window. Type Claude AI and press enter on your keyboard to search. From the search results, choose the first option that says Claude.ai to open the official website. Once the page loads, select the Continue with Google button to begin the sign-in process. Then, choose the Google account you wish to use for your Claude profile. Scroll down through the permissions shown on the screen and click the Continue button to approve access. Wait for the login process to complete and for the site to redirect you to the main page. When prompted, tick the checkbox for the I agree option regarding the terms and conditions. After that, click Continue to proceed past the agreement screen. On the plan selection page, select the Use Claude for Free plan to access the basic AI features. If any initial onboarding or tutorial pop-ups appear, click Skip to move past them. When an introductory window explaining AI limitations appears, click I understand. Input your name into the profile field to personalize your account. Then click the send icon, which looks like an up arrow, to finalize your profile setup. Choose social media from the interest options and click Continue. Next, choose the coding and developing, learning and studying, and writing and content creation options. Click Let's Go to enter the main interactive chat interface. Select I have my own topic to start a fresh, custom conversation. Click on the prompt bar at the bottom of the chat window and type this exact prompt. Build a calendar app that feels like a high-end luxury app. Use soft colors, rounded corners, and smooth buttons. It should have a big monthly view in the center. When I add an event, show a nice pop-up window to enter the details. Make sure it works perfectly inside this chat window, so I can use it right now. Finally, click the send icon and wait for Claude to generate the interactive app. Your calendar is now ready to use directly within the chat for scheduling and events.